on a kebab. I'll give Barcelona that. They do some fantastic kebabs and shawarmas. Turkish pizza, I like a bit of that. You like your hamburgers, don't you, Hugo? And your pasta? I don't think they have patatas bravas here, but that's one of your favourites as well, isn't it? He's had a bit of a stomach bug recently, so you've been eating lots of mashed potato. Simple, hearty food, just to keep you solid. Oh, there's a church. Right, we're going to go this way. Mashed patatas, yeah? You're my sweet potato. Alright, we're going back into the town. See what's going on. I'll zigzag through these streets just so you get a vibe of the area. Might be the most interesting video, but hey, this is what the towns are like on the outside of Barcelona. Just very calm, quiet, residential. Whoa, I'm sure someone who's watching may find this interesting. Yeah, there's a lot of caca means poo. Yes, there's many cacas. That's not, do you mean you? Hugo, you? Or the dog? I think he's talking about dog poo. Yeah. Here you go, do you want to hold this for me? Don't drop it. Hold it in the middle. Don't drop it. Yeah.
Don't drop it.
No. Thank you. My camera, second camera operator, cameraman, camera boy. Shall we? I mean, they all look the same, this street, so let's see what this square is.